Hello, 大家好。Let's read The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever? At least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy. Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy, or play tennis with it. I just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Aww. Puppies. I want a puppy. Right here, right now. Whoop! What's that? Whoop, whoop! Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Whoop! Ah! It's huge! The teeth, the hair, that wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really, I had no idea. I've changed my mind. I want a walrus. Let's learn some Chinese vocabulary. How are you?
你可好？你可好？你可好？
I'm fine, thanks for asking. 我很好，多谢关心。我很好，多谢关心。我很好，多谢关心。By the way, 顺便说一下，顺便说一下，顺便说一下。I get it. 我懂了，我懂了，我懂了。Or 我明白了，我明白了，我明白了。Don't understand.
无法理解，无法理解，无法理解。
Have my dreams come true?
我美梦成真了吗？我美梦成真了吗？我美梦成真了吗？
Huge. 超大，超大，超大。I've changed my mind. 我改主意了，我改主意了，我改主意了。